In this video, we demonstrate how to create a MySQL query that copies data from one user's database to another, means destination user database. So, to carry out this process, a dump file is required. Okay, so you need to select source database, Indra as a source database. Okay. Now exit. Okay, no. See. Okay. So to create a dump file, so you can enter the following command to create a dump file called mydump or anything. While using mysqldump, this dump file will hold the SQL dump. It's a name of the output file where the SQL dump file will be saved. Actually, the actual name of the SQL dump file can be specified by any name. Source username, from where you want to copy database d- database name, Indra, dump file name. So here dump 123 dot sql. Now enter the password. Okay, so we have dumped the file. Uh, Now to import the database from dump file, the MySQL command can be used. Import the data back into a destination MySQL database. So once you have the SQL dump file, so how to import database? So MySQL username, destination username. So in destination username is super user, and destination database. So first we need to create a database. So just MySQL. You may use already exist database. There is no problem. Mm, Super user. So now create a database, new database 123. Now exit again. MySQL username super user, destination database name database 123. Dump file name, dump file name dump123 SQL 123.sql. So this is the dump file from where data which will be import. Okay. So we have copied the database from source username root and source database Indra to destination username super user and destination database 123. So now we check. Now we will check. So again, log as a super user, login super user. So MySQL u super user sp 123. So we have created a new database 123. Okay, now okay, so we have copied uh, source database tables into the destination database 123. Okay, so in this video we have discussed how to copy uh, database data to uh, de- to another destination database. So if you like this video, so please subscribe and share